In a surprising twist on the celebrity dating scene, Elizabeth Hurley and Billy Ray Cyrus have ignited romance rumors after sharing an affectionate Easter photo. The image, posted to Instagram, shows Cyrus planting a kiss on Hurley's cheek as the two pose in coordinated denim outfits and cowboy hats on a rustic farm. The post quickly went viral, with fans buzzing over their potential relationship. Hurley's son, Damien, seemed supportive, reacting with a string of playful emojis in the comments. This isn't the first hint at a budding romance. Hurley previously tagged Cyrus in a steamy bikini snap from the Maldives, further stoking speculation. If confirmed, this would be Cyrus's first public relationship since his brief marriage to singer Fire Rose, which ended in 2024. He was previously married to Tish Cyrus, with whom he shares several children, including pop icon Miley Cyrus. Hurley, known for her past high-profile relationships with Hugh Grant and Shane Warne, has one son with the late producer Stephen Bing. So far, neither party has officially addressed the dating rumors, leaving fans eagerly watching for their next move.